In this video I will show you how to synchronize Bakery's compositing application with Relight so that you can visualize your final composited images interactively. So from Relight's interface I can run the compositing application and load any compositing scene that I want, but now both applications are synchronized, so each time I will render an image in Relight, the render output will be automatically injected in the compositing application. So here I'm using this process to do some Toon Shading. So this compositing scene loads the input beauty image as well as normals and depth layers. And in the compositing tree, I make several nodes to create some contours around the characters. So here I'm adjusting the thickness of the contour. And when I'm okay with that, I can simply detach the compositing image viewer, hide the rest of the application. And now back to Relight, I will be able to tweak the shaders and still see the final composited result. So here I'm picking the sphere and I'm going to change the amount of illumination steps in the Toon shader. And as you can see, whenever I change it in Relight, the result is automatically refreshed in the compositing image viewer. So here I'm doing some basic Toon shading, but of course you can use the same process for any level of complexity. You can simply load the same compositing scene that you use after batch rendering with all the tweaks that you want to do in compositing, but by synchronizing both applications you will always see your final result as you're tweaking your shaders and your lights in Relight. So here I'm still doing some adjustments in the dinosaur, changing the colors in the ramp, and of course there is no limitation in the tweaks that I'm allowed to do. So I'm going to show you that I can also move my lights and do some lighting. So I'm going to take my key light and I'm going to move it behind the dinosaur. And now that I re-render, you will see that the result is also refreshed in the compositing image viewer.